I'm Carly from Hoselink, and if you're dealing with unreliable watering products, you've probably grown used to messy garden hoses like this one that leak, tangle, and are hard work to lug around the yard. That's where Hoselink comes in. Hoselink is an award-winning Australian garden and watering brand that took the country by storm with its innovative solution to this frustrating problem. Now available in the US, this reliable, high-quality retractable garden hose reel not only makes watering easy, but it automatically tidies the hose away when you've finished, so you can say goodbye to tripping over it. Hoselink's retractable garden hose reel is the perfect partner for you in your backyard and comes packed with everything you'll need to get started, including a wall bracket, leader hose, premium spray nozzle, and a set of quick connect hose fittings. The Hoselink reel is available in two sizes, 50-foot or 82-foot, so you can choose the best size for your outdoor space. Hoselink's retractable garden hose reels have been specially designed to take away the mess and clutter you're probably used to. To use your reel once installed, first connect the leader hose to your faucet. To do this, screw the faucet connector onto the faucet and the accessory connector into the end of the leader hose. Connect the two by lining up the tabs and twisting together. Next, screw the accessory connector with swivel into the spray nozzle and point and twist to connect it to the hose connector with flow control that should already be screwed into the end of your hose. Ensure the flow control lever is switched to the open position. Now you're ready to water. Pull the hose out to the desired length. Pause briefly, and the specially designed locking mechanism will hold the hose in place. The flow control feature is awesome as it allows you to turn off the water without having to return to the faucet, which means you can change watering accessories quickly and easily. Using your thumb, flip the lever up on the included Comfort 8 pattern flow control spray nozzle and away you go. This spray nozzle comes with 8 different spray settings for every type of job. The water flow lever allows you to control speed and pressure at your fingertips. Meanwhile, the mounting bracket allows the reel to pivot 180 degrees, so wherever you go, the reel will follow. When you're finished watering, simply tug the hose and the automatic rewind system will begin to retract the hose neatly inside as you walk it back in. The built-in self-layering mechanism evenly distributes the hose over the drum to ensure it remains tangle-free. You get a smooth experience with all the work done for you, the way watering should be. The hose reel has even got 2 convenient handles to help you move or store it, as well as plugs that prevent bugs from nesting in the screw holes. Hoselink has been around for over 20 years, and since launching in the US a few years ago, they have been revolutionizing backyard watering across America. For the best all-in-one watering solution, look no further than Hoselink's retractable garden hose reel.